Hi everyone, it's Daniela. I am one of your special guests this weekend along with Michelle Thompson, and we are just so excited to bring you amazing training, amazing tips, and also just ready to try and inspire you through our own journeys. So we've both been in Herbalife for quite a while. We've both received amazing rewards and experienced an incredible lifestyle with this company. We've both traveled a lot as well and been able to take our families along with us as well. And for this weekend, really what we're going to do is we're going to just be giving you some tips, telling our stories, and just showing you the bigger vision of Herbalife and what's really possible. Guys, remember, as members, you've got to be at these events. You've got to plug in. You've got to be there with guests and with your team. That is how we grow. So I can't wait to see you there. It's going to be an incredible day. Let's pack the room. Bye, guys.
Hi everyone, it's Michelle Thompson, and like Daniela said, we are so excited for our upcoming Herbalife event on Saturday. We just want to encourage every single one of you to make sure that you booked your tickets and that you attend. You know, if you want to grow your future, if you want to do something extraordinary with your life, you've got to actually bring the extra and attend every event that you possibly can to be inspired, to get the confidence in the company, to be around the fire. Don't be a little coal on your own, just trying to survive. Come and be part of the excitement of everything that's happening in Herbalife at the moment. Like I said, Daniela and I will be sharing our journeys. I've been using Herbalife for the past 14 years. I absolutely love it. It's changed my life. I'm a mom of 3 little boys, aged 7, 3, and 1. And, been able to work around them every day, been able to travel the world and experience amazing rewards with Herbalife has been so worth it. And it all starts with investing in yourself and making sure that every opportunity that you can learn and grow and be at anything that's going to broaden your mindset and give you the confidence to go out into the marketplace to make a difference in your future and in the future of others is really worth the time and effort. So book your ticket, and we look so forward to seeing you then on Saturday.